Hello everyone, Dejahao. This is me again, Mrs. Cheng. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to cook pork and chives stir fry. Let's start! The ingredients of our super easy Chinese style recipe of pork and chives stir fry. The main ingredients are pork and chives. And the other ingredients are oil, garlic, pork cubes for seasoning, rice wine, sesame oil, pepper, and water. So easy and quick to cook, right? So this recipe is Chinese style, or I rather say Taiwanese style cooking. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye!